Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the passcode in Zoom meeting easily. So here I've already opened my Zoom and my computer. So if you click a new meeting and then okay, so I'm going to just wait first. Okay, so if you start a meeting and you want to share it with others in Zoom, you need to or the audience need to enter a passcode like this. So the passcode is usually a unique numeric and also a letter like this, like ZNNG8U. So this is the default passcode that is created by the Zoom. So I'm going to change that into a normal, just a normal passcode so that it will be easily to remember or to share. So you can do this in here. So I'm going to leave the meeting first and meeting first. So what you need to do is you go to meetings. This one's right here. And then so this is the my personal meeting ID, and if you want to change the passcode you need to go to edit. This one's right here, click on that. Okay, so here is the passcode and I'm going to change it into a new passcode. Okay, just new passcode like this. And then so here only the user who have the invite link or passcode can join the meeting. So if you're done changing the oops passcode, just okay, so it doesn't fit, so I'm going to change it new pass. Click on save, and now the passcode on my Zoom meeting has been changed into the new one. Okay, so that's all from me. That is how you can easily change the passcode on your meetings in Zoom. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have any question. Bye bye.